The epitome of temporary on-campus leased space, this single-story 27,000 square foot modular-built structure was designed for the University of Delaware and installed on their renowned Star campus in Newark. The sophisticated temporary modular building, weighing in at more than 1 million pounds, spans almost 2/3 of an acre and is made up of 32 skillfully built modules. These modules are combined to form 3 distinct relocatable scientific laboratory and classroom wings, fanning out from a central corridor. This unique building construction project began with the installation of engineered foundation piers, which support the building and access systems. As the foundation was being completed, 15-ton modules built an off-site factory and transported a combined 25,000 miles began arriving by truck and were expertly fitted together. As the foundation was being completed, 15-ton modules built at an off-site factory and transported a combined 25,000 miles began arriving by truck and were expertly fitted together. The project then required seaming of the building sections together, connection to underground utilities, fire alarm, and sprinkler installation, pouring concrete sidewalks, building handicap accessible entrances. This building was fitted out with state-of-the-art labs, classrooms, and offices. The wet labs used for biology and chemistry needed precise but flexible systems, such as ventilation, plumbing, electrical, piped gases, and adaptive technological connectivity designed to meet strict requirements. As the University of Delaware carries out campus building renovation projects, they need a large amount of temporary swing space where academic departments can continue to effectively operate during these projects. The first department to move into this temporary modular building is the university's Animal and Food Science Department. The University Star campus has been a hub of innovation for cutting-edge research, top-notch academics, community service, and economic development. They knew that not just any temporary modular building would do, so they relied on Box Modular's proven expertise and outstanding reputation to provide them with a customized temporary space solution they could count on. Discover how Box Modular's temporary space solutions can help your school during large-scale construction.